Okay. So for num in range 0 to 10. So what output you got? 1 to 10 now. Did you execute it?
0 to 9.
0 to 9. Somebody got 0 to 9. Is that correct? So everybody try these two line of code fast. 1 minute. Already you typed now. I introduced the range function here. So here this is the working of range function. You tell me what is the output you got. Range of 0 to 10 means numbers from 0 to 9. Okay. Anybody else got a different output? Anybody else got a different output? Okay, so your answer is correct. The numbers from 0 to 9 is the output. So did you note that 10 is not included? 10 is not included. So when you are saying some range 0 to 10, the last limit it won't consider, it will stop before that. So 0 to 10 if you say, it will stop at 9. If I say 0 to 11, it will stop at 10. So last limit it won't consider. Okay, so how it is working? 0, then next number is 1, that is 0 plus 1. Next number is 2, that is 1. Please listen carefully. So range function, I'm going to write a syntax here. Let me write like range start, then starting at 0, then stop, then step. So this is the syntax for range function: start, stop, and step. Okay, so in the same example, I'm going to give a step also. 1. What is the step here? 1. 1 means 0 plus 1, 1. 0 it will print first, then 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So you execute this. 0, 10, 1 you execute. What you got? Online students respond what you got. 0, 10, 1. What you got? Same output now.
Same
output now. 0 to 9 now. Default step size is plus 1. Correct now? Default step size is plus 1. So even if you are not giving 1, automatically it will take step size of 1. So now you try with the 2. So before executing, you predict the output, then you execute. 10, 12, 14. So 0 to 10. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 8. So why is this stopping at 8? The last limit it won't take. It will have to stop before that. So what output you got? 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So always remember the last limit it won't consider. It will stop before that. Okay, now you try 0. So how can I print a 10 also? I want to print 10 also. Even numbers from 0 to 10 only my target. Yes. 12. 11. You make it 11 and try. Make this 10 as 11 and then you try.
Yes, sir.
So now you print, I want this same output in a reverse order. 10, 8, 6, 2, 4, 0. 4 to 0. 10, 0 and minus 2. Like this, everybody going like this. So it means starting at 10, stop at 0, step is minus 2. So 0 will be printed or not? So where it will stop? Okay, I'm running it. So if you want to print 0, how to do? If you want to print 0, what to do?
Maybe add -1. No, instead of -2, -1.
Instead of -2, -0. No. I'm saying the even numbers in the reverse order. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. I want to stop at 0. In the
Instead of
same
0, we can replace -1.
Instead of 0, we can replace with a -1. You try it. Instead of 0, we can replace with a -1 so that you can get 0. So are you able to understand? Are you able to understand this? You try this. So what is the output of this one? Second one. This one. Hmm? 0, 10, -2. So why no output? Huh? Infinity. Yeah. It is going to infinity. It won't go infinity. Actually, it won't work because 0 -2 will be -2. -2 -2 -4. -4 -2 -6. -6 -2 -8. It will never reach a 10. It is going in a opposite direction. Actually, we are going from 0 to 10, but the step size is -2. Now it is going in a backward direction. It is not going to 10. Okay, so it won't work. It won't work. So be careful when you are giving the range. This won't work because 0 plus -2 will be -2. -2 -2 will be -4. -4 -2 will be -6. So it will never reach 10. That is a problem. It will never reach 10. That is a problem. Okay. So this won't work. Is 10 is start or stop or step?
Stop.
Stop. Then what is the default value of start? 0. So default value of start is 0. So don't forget, default value of start will be 0. Write notes the points which I am telling you down in the book. Default value of start is 0 and default value of step is +1. Default value of plus is +1. Remember, default value of step is +1. Okay. So here output is predict the output, then you go for execution.
-10 to 9. Oh, another.
-10 to
-1.
-10 to -1. Okay. Anybody else? Any other opinion?
-10 to -1.
Okay. Try it. Try it. So what is start here? What is step here? What is stop here? Start is -10. Stop is 0. Step is +1. So default value of step is always +1. First for I in a range of, I need to print 1 to 20. So shall I give 1 to 20? Shall I give 1 to 20? Will I get 1 to 20? Yes, tell me.
21.
1 to 21. So that I will get 1 to 20. Very simple. 1 to 21, you will get 1 to 20. So next question, 20 to 1. Correct now? So 20 to 1. So everywhere I will copy the same code and I will modify it. So 20 to 1, starting at 20, ending should be 1, correct now? Then -1. Will I get 20 to 1?
No, sir.
Ending should be 20 to 0, correct now? 20 to 0, correct now? So with the -1. So 20, 19, 18, 17 up to 1. 0 it won't consider. It won't consider the 0. So that is also simple. Again, next problem 1 to n. 1 to n. So I have to take the input n, input of enter n. So once I take an n, what modification I should do here? How to print 1 to n? What modification I should do here? Somebody tell me what modification I should do here? How to print 1 to n? Yes, tell me n maybe 10 or whatever. 12.
Plus 1.
N plus
1.
1 to n plus 1. If n is 12, 1 to 13. If n is 15, 1 to 16, like that. Now you can enter n. Let's say I'm entering n is a 6. So here n plus 1 is 7. So 1 to 7 means it will give the output 1 to 6. That is also a very simple one. I hope everybody has completed these three. How to iterate a list? How to iterate a list? How to iterate a string?
Using loops.
Using for loop. Is using for loop. So for elements in L3. So taking one by one. So what should I print? So one by one you can take. So each element from the list taking one by one in a variable called ELE. So initial value of ELE will be 3, which is printing. The next loop ELE value will be 6, that will be printing. The third loop ELE value will be 9, it will print. And in the fourth loop ELE value will be 2, that will be printing. So this is how we are iterating a list. Any other answer? So how many elements in the list?
3.
3 elements.
3 elements. 3 elements. So what is the first value of E? First value of E, 5. Second value of E, ABC. Third value of E, 9.7. There is 3 elements in the list, 5, ABC and 9.7. So first value of E will be 5. Second value of E will be a string, ABC. Third value of E will be a floating point, which is 9.7. So 3 different data types iterating here, 5, ABC and 9.7. There is 3 elements in the list. All the 3 elements it will take one by one. First element is an integer. Second element is string. And third element is a floating point value.